why don't you show us your either the landing page tool, a little bit more about like marketing
Sure.
automation and workflows, or maybe the microsites. Show us whatever whatever other tools, excuse me, you think are like sort of the bread and butter of Element that people really need to understand in order to discern if this is sort of the right product for them.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. I mean, there's a couple of tools in Element that are way, beyond some of the other competition out there. When we talk about uh, perhaps higher education CRMs or higher education products, one of them is really our landing page builder, and it's also how we build our application portal and a lot of other tools in here as well. And what we've done is we've think about a product that is specifically built for landing pages like an Unbound, so perhaps an
Yeah.
Instapage or something like that, building this marketing landing pages and now baking that usability within Element itself. So
Hmm.
here is a landing page, Southeast Missouri. They're using this for their view book, essentially a digital view book where we have a lot of resources. They have a lot of facts around the school, imagery, videos, and then of course they have kind of a lead capture or inquiry form in here, just like any good landing page should.
Yeah.
So they're using this to drive students here, and the neat thing about it is that it's all edited and all done within Element 451, and this is the landing page editor. So what
Hmm.
we see here now is the editor component of that landing page, and all you see is some additional, small UI, some editing UI here, where we can come in and you can work with, typography, different fonts from wherever, whatever your typography is in the school, with imagery, different components have different configurations in here. So, including things like the treatment of images for mobile and also for tablets as well, giving you really a lot of advanced features around the content creation and the content building in here. So everything in here is built with this landing page builder that we talked about, right? And a couple of things to highlight is you can see the smart teasers. You can see all those different blocks that were added in here. It's very, very easy to do and very easy to add. And of course, one of the things that we do is we provide you with hundreds of these pre-built components that you can keep starting your landing pages so you don't have to start from scratch again, right? So
Yeah.
we give you the best practices around how to do, for example, CTA components, right? How to do intro components, always with those call to actions, embedding video, quotes, social feeds, and of course, these large billboards where you almost always have to have these forms associated with them. So landing pages, this landing page builder, it's way beyond any of the other tools out there, specifically tools that are built within the CRM,
Yeah.
or within the same platform, right? Usually you have to go outside in order to get that.
Can I ask a quick question on that?
Sure.
Is the when the landing page is live, I see, is it able to be built off of a subdomain of the institution's website, or does it live on like a vanity URL?
No, so the school can add. We give you, very similar to any of the other landing page or properties out there. We give you a primary domain, and then you can point any additional domain to this one. So in
Awesome.
this case, they're pointing at .org because it's really easy, and this is. They've added it to the Element, so Element is managing this .org, and they don't have to go to their IT and say, "Hey, can you point this one? Can you point this one?" So essentially, this is they can just add additional hosts on their own. And of course, the other nice thing in here is that you get SSL security and all of
Yeah.
those things automatically through Element, so you don't have to worry about any of that.
Well, and if anyone is building, I would imagine if anyone's building like pillar page content to help
Mhm.
increase their organic search rankings, this is uh, they have the tools necessary to build out really cool dynamic content, and the SEO credit will be um, served back to the core domain because it's built off of a subdomain of their university.
Exactly. So there you can do a lot of .edus, and you can see that they're using SEMA is using it very extensively to build a lot of the what you're talking about, specifically targeted to those campaigns that they're running
Yeah.
in different places.
Awesome. Yeah, I mean the tool I've seen it again a couple times now, and it's the drag and drop components, the flexibility, the ability to instantly have content optimized uh, based off of the device that the user is on. That's incredibly important, especially for enrollment management teams or Marcom teams that need the ability to whip up a quick landing page and or need the ability to again build out a more robust page that they're going to use to help win on particular keywords and search terms without needing to go and bother their IT.
Exactly. So, as we, a lot of the tools that are used then with your marketing automation is obviously those landing pages, forms that you're able to build within those landing pages and kind of reference them. And I didn't go into the form builder, but it's a very visual UI form builder where you can build those.